did you guys see the news from Kreg today? Scott was texting me earlier.
I did not.
I think I did. They released their little domino killer, didn't they?
Well, we're going to call it a loose tenon.
Oh, okay.
For legal reasons, it must be called a loose tenon.
A domino killer would have been a better name.
It would be better. But I'm sure domino is probably trademarked, right?
Okay.
Probably.
So I've known about this for about a year and a half. I had no idea it was coming out. Because I saw this whole tease thing or whatever, and we got some stuff from the girl at the PR girl at Kreg sent out, and she was like, "Hey, remember we have a surprise launch this coming?" And I checked it out. I was like, "Oh, I knew this was coming, but I didn't know it was coming today."
Yeah. Okay.
And so I know people are going to be asking, "Is it any good?" Yeah. Not used it.
Okay. They haven't sent you a trial one? Are you getting one soon?
Yeah, I'll be getting one. I don't know the exact date.
Okay.
But
did I see if that's on their battery platform, or is it wired?
It's battery.
Okay.
They're pushing all of their stuff to battery.
Well, of course.
For a tool like that, I think it makes sense. You're not going to do 1 million of those in a day, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. I would.
I mean, I'm going to connect at the dust collection.
These that's a good point. These cheeky MFers, though, I'm looking at their website right now, and what do they have in the background? They've got a bunch of loose tenons lined up like dominoes falling over.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
They never say it, but they're insinuating it.
That's fighting words. I'm curious to hear what Festool's response to this is. This is a good woodworking beef. This is like when the game was beefing with 50 Cent back in the day.
Yeah, or P. Diddy and Notorious, or no, it was Tupac.
Tupac, yeah.
Right? Yeah, that was hot drama. Or Katy Perry and Taylor Swift.
That never happened, did it?
That's what the song "Bad Blood" is about.
Really?
Sure. Yeah.
No, Bad Blood's about Kanye West, isn't it?
I thought it was Katy Perry. I mean, I could be wrong.
I think it's because he didn't he interrupt Taylor Swift and say that Beyonce should have won the award at some show.
Yeah, at the Grammys.
Yeah.
It's forever ago. It was like 10 years ago.
Bad Blood by Taylor Swift was written about Katy Perry.
Oh,
the song addresses the fallout from their once friendly relationship, which deteriorated when Katy Perry allegedly hired several backup dancers right out from under Taylor Swift's Red Tour.
Oh.
Although
I think releasing a domino right there.
Yeah. I mean, we can spin any episode into pop music talk.
We did a good job of it last week, so yeah, why don't we just keep that ball rolling?
So this episode, the one where they buy 101 Katy Perry singles.